Hey, what are you up to? What you doing? Hanging out in a cage. Being on alert for cats. You heard something? What'd you hear? You heard a cat? Did you hear a cat? Did you hear a cat? I don't see a cat.
No, it's cute. They call that shit. They call shit.
Oh my goodness. I don't understand that language you speak. Something about a... Oh, you're just talkative today.
Yeah.
Yeah, what are you saying though?
Oh, yeah.
I don't understand it.
Yeah.
Honest? It's a crazy bird language you're talking. That's a crazy bird language.
Shit. Like graves.
Wow. It's totally beyond me. Mm-hmm. Really? No way. Where'd you learn to talk like that? What planet are you from? Ooh. Yes. Are you an alien? In a bird's body? Mm-hmm. I know the truth. I know the truth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cannibal.
You're a cannibal? Nice. That's why you're in the cage. Did you just realize? You're gonna make a jailbreak? Yeah, tonight. You'll break out tonight.
Yeah.
Be a cannibal? I don't even know what you're saying. You know, other parrots, they say stuff. They say stuff like, Polly want a cracker. You're so evil. You silly bird. You're silly. Mm-hmm. Whatever you said, I totally agree. Ooh, a whistle. That's understandable. Anything else to add? I won't tell anybody. Oh, plenty more to add, huh?
Yeah.
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 What? You done talking? You have a message for any of those other alien birds? I'll put this on YouTube. I will. You could take over the world. Is that your plan? Yeah. Oh, it's an evil plan. It's an evil plan. First you gotta get out of the cage. Yeah. You crack me up. You're a good bird. You're a good bird. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Is it all an act? You're so funny. Okay, well, you know, I could stand here all day. I think I got stuff to do. See you later. I gotta go to work. Bye.
She gotta take the